How did NATO detect the unmanned aircraft that caused fears of an attack? The answer reveals a fascinating mix of cutting-edge radar, satellite tracking, and human intelligence that kept the skies under watch. NATO relies heavily on powerful ground-based radar systems designed to detect the tiniest objects in the sky, including unmanned aircraft. These radars send radio waves that bounce off objects and return signals indicating position and speed. Because drones can be small and fly low, NATO employs highly sensitive radar to pick up their unique flight patterns, even in cluttered environments. This early detection is crucial for differentiating potential threats from harmless objects. Beyond radar, NATO taps into satellite surveillance to monitor large regions from space. Satellites equipped with infrared and optical sensors can spot drones by detecting heat signatures or visual movement against the terrain. This space-based perspective complements radar, especially in remote areas where ground coverage is limited. The combination allows NATO to cross-check sightings and confirm if an unmanned aircraft poses a real threat. Technology alone is not enough. NATO also depends on human intelligence from troops, local observers, and allied agencies. These personnel report sightings and suspicious activities, providing context that sensors cannot. Their input helps analysts decide whether an unmanned aircraft is hostile or benign. This layered approach ensures faster response times and reduces false alarms, making threat detection more reliable. NATO's detection of unmanned aircraft combines high-tech radar, satellite eyes in the sky, and sharp human insight. This multi-layered defense keeps nations safe from sudden aerial threats. If you want to uncover more surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and join us daily.